letter T. T is for
Try that.
that's the letter E. It says T is for tree. We're gonna make a tree. So we're gonna make one, whoa. We're gonna make one like this.
Mom, fall down.
I knew it fell down, huh? All right, so which hand, which hand do you want me to paint for the tree trunk? Which one of your hands? This one? Okay. Okay, ready? It's gonna be a little cold. Can you say tree? Tree. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3 lift up. Woohoo! Do you know what color this is?
I don't know.
You don't know? Can I tell you? It's the color brown. Brown. So we're gonna finish our tree trunk like this. Okay? See, so now we have a tree trunk. Yeah? Now are you ready to do some finger painting? So now you can take your other hand like this, and you can make little dots like that. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Go for it. Ooh. Good job! You wanna get all the way up here in the tree. Yes, and all in here. Or we can even do this. This is cool too, watch. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Here you go. Oh, should I take that off first? Here. There you go. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay. Or we could do dot markers and make a bunch of hair. We'll turn it around like this. So do it all right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Good job. So we're using our fine motor skills.
What's happening?
Yeah. Can you do another green dot right there? That's the color green. Yeah. Can you say green? Green. We're learning colors.
No, orange.
That's orange?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know if it's orange.
Too hot.
Oh, so you want to do your finger again? You can keep doing finger like this. Whoa. Put your finger in. You can make little dots like this. Boink. Ready? Boink. Your turn.
More like a bit.
Whoa. Boink. Your turn. Boink. Oh my goodness, good job. We're making leaves on the tree. Very good. So T is for? Tree. Good job.
There.
Yeah, one right there.
A bear one.
Right there. Good job. And then we can just make as many leaves as we want. Can I add to your tree?
Yeah.
I can? Okay, I'm going to put my finger and we're going to do a leaf right there and a leaf right there and a leaf right. You want to do one right there?
No, let's try Logan's one.
Logan size? Okay, go ahead. Where are you going to do yours? Right there? Go for it. Good job. And there you have it. Very simple, quick, easy, pretty easy setup. Huh. So all we needed was paper, brown paint, green paint. I could have even done red paint, and we could have done fingerprint for some like apples on the tree. Huh.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, I know. It'll come off. And then,
Mom, come off.
yeah, it'll come off. And then
Come off.
it'll just come off in our bath time.
Yeah, it'll come off.
And then we just got a wet towel, and then a dry towel ready to go, huh? And then we got our dot markers.
Put it on the ground.
Put it on the ground. Okay. And that's really it. Very simple, quick learning. Yeah, you have the color green. Again, we learned colors, fine motor skills. We're learning about the letter T, what T stands for. T is for tree. And then, where are you going to put it? That's it. For reference, he
Mom,
is...
what is that?
Oh, that's a dishwasher. It's washing all the dishes. He is 2. He insisted...
Mom, take that one.
Oh yeah, here, we'll switch papers. Here. You want to do the brown or you want to do the paintbrush? So there's our finished project. T is for tree. Yeah, T is for tree. And now we're good. And we insisted on staying in our sleep sack. We just got done with nap time, hung out for a little while, and never got out of the sleep sack, but wanted to do the project, so it's where we're at now, huh? We're gonna do some fingers. Okay, go for it. Yeah, put on the letter B. Good job. So if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And hit the bell notification so you're always up to date with fun new videos that we have been posting a lot more frequently. And as always, as always, have a great day. Yeah, we got it on there. Oh no. Okay, put it on the paper.